Stomach ulcers, also known as gastric ulcers, are fairly common. The majority of people with stomach ulcers do not experience any symptoms, but some may experience pain, nausea, diarrhea, or bloating. Current research into stomach ulcer diets is based on evidence that suggests that Helicobacter pylori infection plays a role in the formation of stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers usually require a combination of medications, including antibiotics. However, there is growing evidence to suggest that eating certain foods can also help get rid of stomach ulcers or, at least, reduce the symptoms they cause. Learn more about the best diet for stomach ulcers, including which foods to eat and avoid. Foods to eat. As well as taking any prescription medications, a person could try including the following food types in their diet. Broccoli. Broccoli and broccoli sprouts contain sulforaphane, which is a phytochemical that inhibits the growth of H. pylori, in a 2017 study involving people with H. pylori infection. Eating 70 grams of broccoli sprouts per day reduced stomach inflammation and significantly reduced infection markers compared with baseline levels. Sulforaphane is also present in other cruciferous vegetables, such as cauliflower, cabbage, and kale. To optimize consumption levels of this substance, it is best to eat the vegetables raw or to steam them lightly for up to 3 minutes. Olive oil. In one study from 2012, people with H. pylori infection took various doses of olive oil every day for 14 days. The results were mixed, but the researchers conclude that olive oil might be moderately effective in treating H. pylori infection. Using olive oil to cook and bake with, and in salad dressings and dips, could have some benefits for people with stomach ulcers. Licorice. Some studies report that licorice root may have ulcer-preventing and ulcer-fighting properties. For instance, licorice may stimulate the stomach and intestines to produce more mucus, which helps protect the stomach lining. The extra mucus may also help speed up the healing process and help reduce ulcer-related pain. Cabbage. Cabbage is a good lactic acid food that does great work by producing amino acids and helps in promoting blood flow to the stomach lining to heal the ulcer. Further on, the vitamin C-rich cabbage is also helpful for patients with H. pylori infections. Studies also found that fresh carrot juice possesses an anti-ulcer factor, vitamin U. Cayenne pepper/jalapenos. We all go for a bland diet to treat an ulcer, but amazingly cayenne pepper is found to be helpful in treating stomach ulcers, as per a study published in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition. The capsaicin compound in cayenne pepper hinders the secretion of stomach acids and promotes the mucus secretions and gastric mucosal blood flow, thus preventing and healing the ulcers. Vitamin C. Studies have found vitamin C to be more effective against bleeding ulcers, i.e., they help to heal the wound faster and stop blood loss. Aloe vera. In one study, aloe vera consumption significantly reduced the amount of stomach acid produced in rats suffering from ulcers. However, few studies have been done in humans. In one, a concentrated aloe vera drink was used to successfully treat 12 patients with stomach ulcers. The natural remedies listed above may help prevent the development of stomach ulcers and facilitate their healing. In some cases, they may even improve the effectiveness of conventional treatment and reduce the severity of its side effects.